To prove this, first we consider LHS part, that is cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Dividing this both the numerator and denominator by sin A, we get cos A by sin A, cot A, sin A by sin A 1, 1 by sin A cosecant A. Similarly, on the denominator we get cos A by sin A, cot A, sin A by sin A 1 minus 1 by sin A cosecant. Next we have to rearrange the terms. Cot A plus cosecant A minus 1. We keep the denominator terms as it is, cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. We know one of the identity based on cot A and cosecant A is 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. So 1 is equal to cosecant square A minus cot square A. It looks like A square minus B square, so we can consider as cosecant A plus cot A, that is A plus B into A minus B. So that cosecant A minus cot A. So here we consider these two terms as it is, cot A plus cosecant A minus. Instead of this one, we introduce these terms, that is cosecant A plus cot A into cosecant A minus cot A. Then the denominator term, that is cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Here we can take out cot A plus cosecant A as a common term. So cot A plus cosecant A into, here we take it out, so we introduce 1 minus, here the leftover is minus cosecant A, that is cosecant A minus cot A. Next, cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Here cot A plus cosecant A into 1 minus, multiplying this two terms by negative sign, we get minus cosecant A plus cot A divided by, here also we rearrange the terms, 1 minus cosecant A, 1 minus cosecant A, and cot A plus cot A. Now we can, these two terms will be cancelled out. We get cot A plus cosecant. Now LHS equal to RHS, hence it is proved. Thank you for watching.